Hello and welcome to your Pilgrim Hat Shapes, shapes matching activity. Let's go ahead for this training. I'm going to be showing you how to sign everything that you'll need to be able to teach the kids. Coming on down, all of these directions here, you can read yourself and implement whatever is best for you. But I'm going to be showing you how to use these signs. So let's get started right here. So the directions are play multiple ways based on the skill level. So here we go. Identify and sort, matching, memory game, visual discrimination. So being able to recognize them. You can sort by colors. You can sort by shapes. You can pass or collect. You can have a scavenger hunt and a sensory bin, maybe touching things like that. And down here we have shapes, and I do shadows is a shape too. And color shapes, outline with shapes, that would be, you know, the outline. And we have with Spanish shapes names. Okay, coming on down here, here is your vocabulary for each of these words. Pilgrim, so it's the letter P, comes out and down. Hat, tap 2 times. Match is the claw hand, and you just put them in there together. Match. Shape, thumb hands. Circle, we're going to hold this there and then just circle around. Hexagon, we're going to draw that shape. So each of these you're actually going to, in the air, you're going to use your fingers to do the sign. And oval, we're going to hold this still and just go around. Same as parallelogram, we're going to hold and draw that. And then pentagon, we're going to use both shapes. Rectangle, both hands, both shapes. Rhombus, both. So there are some times we use both fingers to draw on, and other times we just use one. We hold it right there, and then we draw it. Okay, so these are pretty easy right here. I'll let you be able to see these. You can practice these yourself, really. Just want to point out that you notice that the heart, this is heart as if in your body heart. This is to draw the shape. Either one of them can be interchangeable. Okay, here we go. We have pilgrim, hat, shape, colors, green, blue, yellow, red, 1 time, 2 times, brown, orange, just squeezing it like this, and purple is the letter P, and we shake it. Okay, the directions here are print, and you're going to attach, or you could say put it in the file folder. And so the students are going to match the pilgrim to the hats to the correct shape. Okay, and here they are, and you can see the lesson yourself and decide which kind of game or which colors or which lesson you want to use. So there you go. Just wanted to make sure you knew how to sign everything.